Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and community. I'm going to show you how to get a great deal on a motel room by booking through a specific website. You can save a ton of money this way, and it's super easy to do. I'm going to show you step by step how to find these deals and book your room. You'll be surprised at how much money you can save. Let's start. Firstly, go to Google and search for globalhotelfinder.com. There you will find monthly motel rentals. If you are confused, then check the description for the link and will be redirected to the most important part to book a monthly motel. There not only you can book motels but also get more details like what are the advantages of monthly motels near me? Amenities that monthly motel rooms offer. How can you find motels under $200 a week? Cheap monthly rates for extended stay hotels and more. Also a huge list of budget-friendly motels. Visit globalhotelfinder.com and get your stay for a month now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.